Now we'll see the next unit, mensuration. That is a 5 mark. We'll see model paper wise. First we'll finish model paper 1, 41 question. We are taking the first question. A spherical solid material of radius 18 centimeter is melted and recast into 3 small solid spherical spheres of different sizes. That means what? There is one bigger sphere is there with capital R radius like this. Now we are changing into 3 small spheres like this. One is like this, another one is like this, another one is like this. So you are melting this big sphere and recasting like sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3 with the different radii R1, R2, R3. So if the radii of 2 spheres are 2 centimeter and 12 centimeter, that means this radius is given, this somewhat bigger sphere, this radius is given, then R3 we have to find out. Find the radius of the third sphere. So what we have to do, let capital R be the radius of the bigger sphere or solid material. Now R1, R2, R3 be the radii of the 3 solid spheres. These 3, small r1, small r2, small r3. Now the data is capital R is 18 centimeter, that is the bigger sphere. Small r1 first sphere radius, r2 second sphere radius. Now we have to find r3. R3 we don't know. Now one thing you should remember, when something is recast, the volume of the resulting sphere will not change. That means what? By using this only they made these 3. So the volume of the bigger sphere is equal to volume of sum of the volumes of these 3 small spheres. That's why volume of the 3 spheres is equal to volume of the solid sphere. Now 3 spheres means what? What is the volume formula? 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to volume of solid sphere 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Now 4 by 3 pi I can take common because it is there in everywhere. R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Now this one gets cancelled. Now I need R3. Other values and all I know, just to substitute. R1 cube means 2 the whole cube plus R2 cube 12 the whole cube plus R3 cube, we don't know R3, is equal to capital R cube 18 the whole cube. So now 2 cube 8 plus 12 cube, 12 into 12 144, again 12 48, 48 plus 4 52, now 1 7 28 plus R3 cube is equal to, this is 18 into 18 into 18. So what is the value? We will see now. 18 into 18. 18 8s 64. Now 144. This is 18 plus 14 32. So 324. Again 18 we have to multiply. 324 5832. So if you multiply 18 3 times, like 324 into 18 again 5832. Now this one we add 17 28 plus 8 plus 8 16. So 1736 plus R3 cube is equal to 5832. Now R3 cube is equal to 5832 minus 1736. So if you subtract this one, you are going to get 4096. 4096. Now this 4096 I can write it as 16 the whole cube. That means 16 into 16. So 16 the whole cube. Therefore what is R3? 16. Because here powers are same, bases should be same. But here I wrote directly. But what you should do is just to divide this one with prime factors like 2. Then you will get to get the answer. Prime factors you will get like 2 into 2 into 2 like that. If you divide like 3, now take the cube. That is only the way. We have to divide with prime factors. Okay, that we will learn in lower classes. So now we will finish. We finished this problem. Now next problem we'll see now. So now